Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm showing you how to season cast iron kadai. So I get a lot of requests from you guys asking me doubts on how to season and maintain a cast iron cookware. This is my cast iron kadai which I use almost every day. Now you can see some rust has formed in the middle as well as on the sides. So how this happened is I forgot to season it after washing it. Rust happens when you don't season it, and this rust is just 1 day old. This cast iron is something which I use almost daily, but even if I am using it daily doesn't mean that the cast iron pan or kadai or tawa will stay good without seasoning. Each time you use it, you need to season the cast iron. Only then it will stay well seasoned. How this happened is the little moisture or residue water after rinsing the kadai which was left on the kadai made it to rust. So I'm going to show you when this happens how I bring it back to a well seasoned kadai. First I'm going to wash and rinse it thoroughly. Next I'm adding in the diluted dishwashing liquid soap, and with a scrub I'm lightly scrubbing off the rust, and then I'm just rinsing it with water, and now it is nicely rinsed. Next I'm placing it onto the stove and heating it up. Once the kadai is heated, I'm drizzling in about half teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil. I prefer to use wood pressed sesame oil as this is what my mother and my grandmother advised me when I started cooking with cast iron. So it is the wood pressed sesame oil, also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam, which I use to grease or season my cast iron kadai. There may be many methods and ways to season cast iron kadai. The techniques and method I am sharing today is what I do to season my cast iron cookware. Next I am taking a paper napkin and I am just folding it like this so that it comes into a balloon like shape. And then I am greasing the cast iron kadai. I am also making sure that I am greasing the sides, the handles. At this moment I have turned off the flame. So this is how the paper napkin looks like once it has been greased. I am again taking two paper napkins and I am folding it so that it comes into a shape of a balloon. This way your fingers or hand won't get burned or you won't feel the heat of the cast iron kadai. And I am just wiping off the oil in the cast iron kadai. So this is how it looks once the oil has been wiped off. Again I am drizzling in about a half teaspoon of wood pressed sesame oil with another paper napkin. I am again greasing the kadai. This is how the paper napkin looks. And lastly I am turning on the flame. Again I am adding in about half teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil. And I am greasing the kadai. And once it is heated, I am turning off the flame and wipe the cast iron with the paper napkin. And you can see that the residue is almost nil. And now the cast iron is well seasoned and it is ready. So this is how I season when my cast iron gets rusted. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.